Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 20th January 2026, Nifty index opened negative and cascaded to 25,500 marks in the first tick itself. It was later followed by a long consolidation, after which the market finally witnessed some pullback in the second half of the session, but gave up most of its attempts of recovery towards the closing hour. It concluded below 25,600 with losses of over 100 points and showcased a tug-of-war between the bulls and bears. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, indicating support-based buying is visible at the lower levels. India VIX was up by around 4% to 11.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased marginally to 0.77. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,200 to 26,000 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,400 to 25,800 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,201 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 4,007 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 9.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to cross and hold above 25,650, then bounce could be seen towards 25,850 marks, while support can be seen at 25,450. Bank Nifty has to cross and hold above 60,000 for an up move towards 60,500, while support can be seen at 59,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in TechM, Bank of India, Federal Bank, Shriram Finance, Hindustan Zinc, Nalco, Axis Bank and Ashok Leyland, while some weakness could be seen in Indian Hotels, CDSL, Bandhan Bank, Jio Finance, IRDA and Bharti Airtel. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.